In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse open positions in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to reverse a position can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. This feature allows you to quickly adapt to changing market conditions by flipping your position in the opposite direction without manually closing and reopening trades. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll have the confidence to execute this process seamlessly. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started. First, open Tradingview in your browser or through the Tradingview app. Tradingview serves as the platform where the entire position reversal process will take place. Once you've opened it, give the application a moment to load fully. You'll need to wait for all your charts and watch lists to populate on the screen before moving on. Now, locate the main navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on the Products option. This menu gives you access to all the features Tradingview has to offer, including the trading panel we'll use shortly. Once you've accessed the Products menu, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. Click on it. If you don't see it right away, you may need to expand the panel. Don't worry if it looks hidden. Just hover over the bottom of your screen and drag the panel upward if necessary. The Trading Panel is where you can connect with your broker and execute live trades directly within Tradingview. Next, connect your broker account to Tradingview. If you haven't connected it before, you'll be prompted to enter your broker credentials and give the necessary permissions. Keep in mind, though, that not all brokers support the reverse position feature. So before proceeding, make sure your broker integration allows for this functionality. If it doesn't, this limitation is on the broker's side, not Tradingview's. Once your broker is connected and ready, look within the trading panel to locate your active positions. These represent the trades you currently have open. Carefully identify the specific trade you want to reverse. Pause for a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct position. This step is important to avoid any costly mistakes. With the correct position selected, click on the Reverse Position option. What this does is close your current position and immediately open a new position in the opposite direction. Using the same trade size, for example. If you're currently long on an asset, let's say you've bought 1 Bitcoin. This action will close your long position and open a short position of the same size, 1 Bitcoin. On the other hand, if you're short, such as having sold 5 units of another asset, it will close that short position and open a long position of 5 units. Before finalizing, take a moment to consider the potential costs involved. Reversing a position counts as 2 separate actions, closing one position and opening another. This means you might incur double commissions or fees, depending on your broker's fee structure. It's always a good idea to be mindful of these additional costs before you proceed. Once you've executed the reverse position, verify that your new position has been successfully opened in the opposite direction. You can confirm this by checking your active positions within the trading panel. Make sure the details, such as trade size and direction, align with your intended action. And that's it. You've successfully reversed an open position in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.